Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be talking all about scalp care, and I'm kind of excited because I feel like I haven't dived into scalp care, but this video is sponsored by Ulta, so shout out to Ulta for sponsoring this video. So for the month of March, Ulta's Hair Heroes trend is refresh. So we're gonna be refreshing these curls today, and what you're gonna need to do is within this video. Like, every single step is gonna be what you need to do to refresh your hair. And I'm not just talking about shampooing your hair just all willy-dilly. We're talking about actually cleansing your hair. We're talking about something you should be doing before you protective style, or something you should be doing once a month just to make sure everything is clean, your scalp is clean, your hair is clean, and it's nice and moisturized. So let's just get right into the video. Alright, so by the thumbnail, you guys should already know, I know you already know, we're gonna be talking about scalp scrubs today. And have you guys tried a scalp scrub before? Let me know in the comment section below, but if you have not, let's talk about them, okay? So I have two right here that are actually at Ulta. Actually, everything in this video is from Ulta, and I will link everything in the description bar for you guys. But I have two scalp scrubs right here. This one is a salt scrub, and this one is a sugar scrub. So that is the main difference between these two. So I decided to go in with the DP Hue apple cider vinegar scalp scrub, and it is with pink Himalayan sea salt. So this has sea salt in it, so it's gonna be a lot grittier than this one that has sugar in it, and we'll basically get to that in just a second. But let's talk about this one. So if you are new to my channel, you may not know this, but I love a good apple cider vinegar rinse. Like, that is my ish, and this stuff right here has apple cider vinegar in it, so it just melts my soul. But if you guys aren't familiar with a scalp scrub, what it's gonna do is gonna help get rid of those dead skin cells that's on your scalp. It's gonna help to refresh and clean your scalp. You really want to get in here with that scrub. Like, you really want to get in, make sure you part your hair, and just really work that scrub in, part your hair again, work that scrub in, and just make sure you are focused and actually really paying attention to how it's feeling on your scalp, and enjoy it, guys. Like, I feel like this is like a self-care, self-love, hair love type of video, because giving your scalp that good, nice, clean feeling, there's nothing, I'm telling y'all, there's nothing like it. And with this routine, I'm telling y'all, okay, all right. I do want to say that both of these scrubs are color safe. Honestly, this one does not smell that great. It does give you kind of like that apple cider vinegar scent, but this one actually smells really good. And I mean, it's sugar, it should smell good. So this scrub is by Nature Lab, and this is their Perfect Shine Clarifying Scalp Scrub. Now this one, like I said, is a sugar scrub. It does a little bit of foaming. So this one isn't gonna be as helpful for getting rid of those dead skin cells. It is going to do that, but I will say the apple cider vinegar one is a little bit rougher, and I kind of like that because I can feel the beads on my scalp. This one is good for those who don't want anything super rough, especially if you have color treated hair. This one would be really, really, really good. So both of these are gonna be ideal if you want to get rid of all that product buildup on your scalp and your hair and all that good stuff. And it's also gonna help with balancing the pH back into your hair. So there's that, sis. Now, you do want to wet your hair before you add this scrub to your scalp, because it is a lot harder if you try to do this on dry hair. It'll have pieces, little salt, it'll just be a little mess. So I would recommend wetting your hair first, getting in the shower, wetting your hair, go ahead and adding this as like your pre-shampoo type of situation, and then you want to go in with your shampoo. Now, I have three shampoos I want to talk about today. You guys have seen me talk about the Curlsmith one. This is the Wash and Scrub Detox Pro-Biotic Clarifying Scrub Shampoo. Sorry, it was a lot, y'all. I had to make sure I get all the words in. But anyway, I love me some Curlsmith. These are really, really safe products that I'm talking about today, but Curlsmith is so, so good. Honestly, I'm halfway through this bottle. They sent me another one, so I'm like kind of hype about using it again, because I tried to scale it down so I wouldn't use it all, but you know, I got some on now, so we're good. But this is a really, really good one. Oh, it smells so good. I did forget what it smelled like. It smells so good, y'all. Now, this Curlsmith shampoo is probably gonna be the most gentle shampoo that I'm gonna talk about today. It is very effective, don't get me wrong, but it is a little bit more moisturizing. Not necessarily moisturizing, but it's not gonna be as cleansing as the other shampoos that I'm gonna talk about. But I do really like this one. This one is more for like a weekly type of shampoo. But the next two that I'm gonna talk about, I would recommend these probably like once a month or so. So this next shampoo is by Klorane. I think that's how you say it, Klorane. So you guys are not gonna believe what this smells like. It smells just like a mojito. Like, I kid you not, a straight up mojito is in this bottle. I'm pretty sure. Okay, I'm pretty sure. It smells just like a mojito, so it has that mint in it, and that is what's really bringing it out. But it also has a sweet smell to it, which I haven't tried this shampoo yet, but it is an anti-pollution shampoo, which I'm kind of hyped to try. Never really heard of that before. Never really heard of it. This shampoo removes 97% of polluting particles as well as environmental buildup. So basically it cleans your hair, okay? It cleans your hair. Whatever your day-to-day life brings at you, this shampoo will have you good. And it is also said that this will not strip your hair. So I'm pretty excited to use this one. I can just tell from the smell of this one, it is going to really cleanse my hair. I am curious to know if it's gonna give me that tingling sensation, because if it does, y'all know I love me a good mint shampoo. I actually have never heard about this brand before, so I am pretty excited about this shampoo. The shampoo that I used in this video is the Redken Clean Maniac. Yo, let's talk about it. So, y'all, when I put this bad boy on my hair, first of all, a little bit goes a long way. And I say a little bit, I don't mean just like I mean like just like back up off it, you know, just be like, and then just back up. This will last you, sis. Like, out of all the shampoos I've ever tried, this is one I would highly recommend. Okay, so I could honestly feel the difference between all of my other shampoos and this shampoo, and that is because this will actually remove the minerals that are found in hard water. So if you are in an area that has hard water, you don't have a filter on your shower head, and you feel like that's affecting your hair, here we go. Like, I have never found a shampoo that I feel like can do something like that. But I'm telling y'all, after I shampooed my hair with this, I felt like my hair just came back to life. I did use it for this wash day, and I just feel like my hair is thriving. Like, it really removed a lot of stuff. I would honestly use this instead of using my clay mask. Like, it's that good. It is that good. And this is a professional type of shampoo. So this is like a hair cleansing cream, but it's a shampoo, and I absolutely love this stuff. Not gonna lie, it's my new favorite. It is my new favorite. You guys are gonna see it more often. So if you see this in the store, I highly recommend you pick it up. This is 33.8 fluid ounces, so you get a lot for your money. So I would highly recommend this shampoo. Now that you've already scrubbed your scalp, okay, you've washed your hair, okay, now you need some moisture, you need it back into your hair, but you still don't want to put something on your scalp that's gonna just erase everything you just did, right? Right. So there is a deep conditioner, actually a hair mask, and this is by Voir, and this is called the Rhythm of the Rain, and this is a hair mask and scalp detox. So the natural butters and all of the oils and stuff in here is basically to help restore your scalp back to its nice, healthy, moisturized state, but without clogging those pores, you know. So that is where this is going to come in handy. Now, I did enjoy this mask, you guys. It has a creamy consistency, which kind of threw me off a little bit at first, but a little bit goes a long way. Look at that. It is kind of like tacky-ish. As you can see, I'm rubbing it in, and it's not going away. that is a good deep conditioner. You don't want it to just fade away immediately like that. Okay, give it some time, put some heat in it. You can feel how smooth, like upon just me touching it, it is a very, very, very smooth mask. And this made my hair feel so soft. When I got done cleansing my hair with this, I'm not gonna lie, my hair felt so clean. I was like, I need some moisture, I need some moisture. I put this on and my hair felt so good. It felt so good. I went ahead and like detangled with no problem, and your girl was satisfied, okay? I was satisfied. If you are looking for a good deep conditioner that isn't really that heavy for your scalp, it's gonna be lightweight, but it's gonna give you that moisture and you're still gonna give you that clean feeling. This is supposed to give you like a rain effect. That's kind of why it was called the rhythm of the rain. Okay, so if you want to check it out, I will have it linked in the description bar below. Below. Alright, you guys, so I've basically showed you guys my entire scalp routine wash day. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. And again, thank you Ulta for sponsoring this video. You guys really do need to try these products out, especially if you don't get anything else, go get this like now. Go get this now. The scalp scrubs are it. We've been sleeping on them, okay? They're it. They're bomb. And I love them. So stay refreshed, stay clean. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.